welcome to the YouTube channel Alien Programmers. So today we are going to programming in Java language. Let's start. So you have to select any text editor like Notepad, Atom, Eclipse, NetBeans, Sublime, anyone. Just choose any one text editor. I am choosing Sublime because its interface is little bit good. Okay, so let's start programming in Java. So you have to first write import space java dot util dot star semicolon. So what does it mean? So import means we want to import a Java file from util, and star means all. So I want all files from the Java util. So we have to put star for the all applications. Okay. So next is we have to create a class. So class, let's give a name gdemo. Okay. So this is a class we have create in Java. So now we have to do is create a public static void main. So public static void main, and okay, so public means this function is public. Static means we have to run this function in first of all we have to run this. So we have to write static over here. Void main is a function, so write in circle brackets string square brackets over here args. Okay, so this is how we create a global syntax of Java. This is a basic syntax of Java basically. So let's print something. Wait, don't you think this is look little bit awkward? So let's make it colorful. So save this file, choose your path whatever you want, give the name j demo. Main thing, we have to make sure this file is saved as .java file. So we have to file name then .java and save. See, this is colorful. So the import java.util.star, we created a class called name jdemo, and we have give the syntax of the main. So let's print something. So for print we have to write a system dot out dot println. So from the system out and println, so we are printing something like hello aliens, and the main thing in the programming language is the semicolon. Don't miss the semicolon. If you miss the single semicolon, then you have to face error. Okay, so let's write something else too, like system dot out dot println parenthesis string. Let's say what we have to write over here. Let's see. Oh, you are well at your home. Okay, the semicolon now. Okay, So just save this file. Now where we have to go now is just go to your command from cmd. Now this is the command prompt. Now we have to go in cmd where we save this file is like, okay, so here is our file. So we have to, in cmd we have to type all these path like cd app drive, cd alien programmer, cd java program alien. Okay, so I'm going to show you little shortcut for cmd. In path url just write cmd over here and enter. See, we are in the f drive alien programmer java alien. Okay, so now we are going to run our program. See what we've written over here: java alien, hello aliens, hope you are well at your homes. Okay, let's see. Write java file name jdemo dot java. Oh, we have error. Oh, I mistake in print. Okay, so if you do anything wrong in programming language, then you have to face the error. Okay, so be sure that don't make any mistake while you are coding in any language. Okay, so let's run again. See, we have the hello aliens, hope you are well at your home. See, this is how simple is that. See, let's do one more time. See, the java file, this java means we have to run java program, and the java program name is jdemo.java. So see, this is the hello aliens, hope you are well at your home. See how simple is this. Let's do another program in next lecture. Till then, signing out. This is Parth from the Alien Programmers. If you have any query, then comment in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe our channel Alien Programmers. Thank you so much, guys.